Yo, what's good, family? It's your boy Rich off the exchange, man. You already know what it is, man. We back at it again, man, with the journey of $50 to 10K, man. It's Monday, new week, new money, new opportunity, man. Same routine, though, man. Same discipline, same skill, man. Let's work, man. So just jumping into it, like I said, man, as you can see, it's 2:04 p.m. Today's the eclipse, man. So right now I'm actually outside sitting down recording this on my phone right now. I'm actually outside enjoying the sun, man, just trying to witness this celestial type of moment, man. Just watching this one of a kind moment, man, and enjoying it and just soaking it up literally. But back to the charts, man. Like I said, just jumping into what action was today. So today we went with GBP USD, man, and we saw a buying opportunity and we jumped in it, right? So we were able to jump in it, and man, it was a hectic day. It took a while for it to kind of go up, man. We jumped in it early in London session, and when we jumped in it, it kind of bounced down, as you can see right here, right? So we're looking at it. This is 2 a.m. coming into 3 a.m., right? So now this is our window of opportunity, right? As you can see, it was dropping low, so we kind of did see the buy, but when the buy happened, I used 1.266, 1.2616, 126.16, as you can see, was this low. I used this low as my SL, and as you can see, in pre-New York Open, or not pre-New York Open, it started to drop lower, and then with 8 a.m. New York Open, it actually, violated that low, but then continued to push up like the original idea I was thinking. So I succumbed to some losses here, trying to, force it up, thinking that any bullish candle that I saw, was going to be the one that was going to give it to me, and I kind of overtraded and I lost some money, right? So I lost about $20 of the account, so that had brought me back down to like $52, right? So after getting down to $52, I stayed steady, I stayed resilient, and I got back in, and I was able to profit and bring the account back balanced out to about $72. And as you can see, that's where we was at, right? So now with $72 in it, I jumped in again a couple times, and as you can see, we lost a little bit. Not lost, but as you can see, we had some drawdown a little bit before going up, and I was just kind of getting nervous, just kind of realistically acting on some unprofessional traits and uncharacteristic things that, will prevent anyone from, being successful. That's something I'm gonna go over, that I went over in the earlier video as y'all guys just finished. But, just explaining that end of the day trade, right? I was looking for the bullishness to come down. As you can see, 8 a.m. offered the bullishness to now sweep a low and then continue to sweep a high, and sweep high. So now Friday's high was taken, and we had a little consolidation from 10 a.m., but also between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m., we created a low. So this is what's giving me the faith that we're going to continue to push up to this institutional level of 1.2680. And as you can see, during at the end of London session, going into New York PM session, 12 o'clock, we kind of had a drop down and some small movement because of the time of the day. And now going into the end of the day, going into the second half of 2:30 and the ending of New York, we kind of potentially may see some pop up, or we may not. But that's what's actually giving us, as you can see, an entry was put in off of that movement. That's what's giving us the plus $9.50 and putting us at $78.12. So that's just a quick check-in, with you guys on the account, just to let you know where we at, what we was doing, and just to explain, how I came about the profits and the numbers and stuff like that. Because today I wasn't home and I wasn't able to necessarily make a lot of videos, but I wanted to make sure that I got the content out for you guys and I could patch it together, edit and make it all make sense. But for the record, as you can see, we started out with $50, and now we're at $78, almost pushing $80, which is a $30 increase, almost about, I would say, a 60%, 75% increase in return on the account. So, man, we push it, man, but we're not really worried about nothing until we can get back to our milestone of 116, which was our highest account balance. And then from on, then we're going to count the record from there, man. So thank you for joining in, man. As you know, man, I'm back every day, man, daily, man. We putting raw content out, and we showing y'all that, the unthinkable or the unimaginable is actually possible, man. So thank you for tuning in, man. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, like and subscribe the video, share it with anybody, and tap in, man, to the next video. It's your boy, Rich.